This is iOS 19 leaks, camera, icons, and UI changes in a fast 60 seconds. First, a revamped camera app with pro controls, cleaner layout, and intuitive toggles. New sensor modes, real-time depth mapping, and AI-powered raw previews on device. Switch lenses instantly with a redesigned mode wheel and gesture shortcuts for speed. Smarter computational photography boosts night shots, motion fidelity, HDR, and dynamic tone. Expect faster capture speed, wider previews, richer metadata, and cinematic stabilization. Icons get fluid micro-animations with morphing shapes and depth-aware lighting. A new adaptable grid lets icons breathe with adjustable spacing, scale, and layout options. App icons respond to touch with subtle haptics, lively transitions, and micro-interactions. System UI refresh brings translucent layers, neon accents, smarter animations, and faster gestures. Control Center becomes compact cards with customizable toggles, clearer feedback, and quick actions. Notifications are smarter, stacked, prioritized, richer, and more glanceable across the system.